Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what to do if for some reason you cannot join a server, because let's just say it's full, or you just can't just join the server for whatever reason. Now what you want to do is you want to make your way over to charts and then go over to the Grow a Garden homepage. Now basically once you're on the Grow a Garden homepage, what you want to do is you want to click on the double player icon that's right here, right next to the play button. From here you want to go ahead and select join connections, and then from join connections what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see number of players, and then you want to go ahead and change this to ascending. Now from ascending, once you change that, you can also select the exclude full servers. Now from here you can go ahead and select any of these servers and it should work perfectly fine. If for some reason there is an error with that specific server, you can just go ahead and join another one. But then this will work 99% of the time, and it will also be a server with only honestly only one player, like as I just joined right now. There's only one server or one player in the server. So yeah, so that is how to join a server if it is causing you issues. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.